So guys, we ordered all this great food, like the charcuterie board, some fondue over here, but unfortunately the only thing that Michele can eat is the bacon. So she's probably ate like a pound of bacon so far.
I'm just living my best life. It's delicious.
How's your bacon diet going?
No, it's great. I love it. No carbs. I'm gonna be so skinny.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Long time no see. Just want to wish everybody a happy holidays guys. Today guys, we're gonna go check out the Winter Terrace at the Green Valley Ranch in Henderson. So I'm ready for some hot cocoa and some s'mores. Let's go check it out guys. So Winter the Terrace is located downstairs by the front desk area and out the doors by the pool area. And you're gonna find this little reception desk here and you'll check in there for your reservation. So guys, we got seated here at the Winter Terrace and you have two options. There's like these igloos that you can rent out plus whatever food you get, or this little side area that has these little fire pits. We picked the fire pits because we wanted to do s'mores, but I gotta admit, these fire pits, blazing hot, guys, super hot. So don't worry if it's cold out, guys. It's gonna be plenty warm. Don't worry about that. Yeah, look at that. Thank you. So guys, Michelle's extra thirsty. She ordered 2 drinks. Michele, you gonna kill both those drinks?
Happy holidays.
There's the hot chocolate cart.
My goodness.
That's cool.
Did you want milk chocolate or white chocolate for the chocolate ball?
Milk chocolate.
This is the hot chocolate experience.
Yeah.
It's on the menu. This is an experience. Wow.
So every time somebody orders a hot chocolate, you bring the cart over to them and make it? Oh, really cool. So I ordered the hot chocolate, but with salted caramel Baileys, which should be yummy. Look at that. Tasty. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Personal. All right. It's like
Right there, guys.
In a chocolate factory or something.
Tableside hot chocolate made just to your order, guys. That's pretty awesome. All right, guys, here at the Winter Terrace, it's very festive. They have festive cocktails and festive foods. So we're starting off with 3 drinks. I got a hot chocolate, and they roll around a little hot chocolate cart and make a hot chocolate for you, like tableside. You can use regular milk chocolate, you can use white chocolate, and they also have flavored Baileys that you can add to it. So I just got regular milk chocolate with salted caramel Baileys. So let's try it out. Salud. Oh my God. Delicious, guys. Usually I don't like getting alcohol in my hot chocolate because I really like the flavor of chocolate. I feel like alcohol messes it up. But the salted caramel Baileys is excellent, guys. This is, I want to order another one actually after I finish this one.
It's the hot chocolate experience.
Yes, it's good.
It's a full experience.
All right, guys, we also ordered 2 more cocktails also. This is Michelle's cocktail that she ordered, and it's called the Under the Mistletoe, and it's basically like a Paloma. It has Flecha Azul, Blanco, tequila, and some other stuff. But, you know Michelle loves her tequila, so I'm going to try it out and see how it is, guys.
What? I get minus. Not you too.
Good. I like the salted rim. Good. Yep. Very light. Very light. Yeah, very light, actually. And then the last cocktail we ordered, we just ordered it because it looks really cool, because it's in a Christmas tree little glass. And I didn't realize it's actually for 2, so they give you 2 straws, but I could drink this by myself. And this is a rum-based cocktail with horchata and coconut milk and nutmeg and peppermint. So let's try it out. Whoa. There are a lot of flavors in there. Very minty. I don't think I like it though. No. I think it's too many flavors in there. Hold on. Yeah, looks cool. Not a fan of it. I'll be sticking to my hot chocolate. So guys, it's a little all over the place here, but we ordered some of the candied maple bacon. We ordered some fondue that comes with some pretzel bites. And then across the fire here, hope I don't want to get burned. We ordered a charcuterie board. Looks really yummy. It came with some, looks like some chips and crackers and whatnot.
Our camera is catching on fire, and look at my drink cup, it started to melt. It was just like sitting there with the food, so watch out, Joe.
So guys, we ordered some candied maple bacon, which looks yummy. Try it out here. That's good. It has like a little smoky flavor to it. That's delicious. So guys, we also ordered some fondue. And you get these little pretzel bites, and I'm gonna dip it in the cheese and see how it is. Cheesy pretzel bites, guys.
Of course.
That's creamy, tasty cheese and pretzel bites. Can't go wrong. Alrighty, guys. So after tearing up some candied bacon and some fondue cheese, we're gonna hit this charcuterie board, which comes with a bunch of different meats like prosciutto, it's like salami, pepperoni, some black lemon gouda, some burrata, some grilled artichoke. So yeah, this looks super yummy, guys. Can't wait to dig in. So guys, at the winner at the Terrace here at Green Valley Ranch, you have 2 options when you get seated here. You can either get seated in an igloo, which is basically $150 minimum that you got to have on your bill, and also a $50 fee to be seated in the igloos. Or you can have where we sat at, and basically it's just a little like tableside fire pit. And there's no fee to use that one, but you do have to spend $100 to use that area. So with 2 people, it's pretty easy with the prices. So I guess more the merrier. You know what I mean? If you bring more people, it's going to be a lot easier to get to those $100, $150 limits. Poor Michelle can't eat any cheesy also. This is a big chunk of Parmesan with like some wine reduction sauce drizzled on it. It's kind of sweet and savory at the same time. It's really good, but I gotta tell her it's terrible.
And I appreciate that.
Moving on to the next cheese that Michelle cannot eat. We're going to the burrata, which I know absolutely is going to be horrible.
I have your title. Things Michelle cannot eat.
I know it's going to be horrible already. Oh. Terrible. It's good, so good. Terrible. So terrible. Well, we got what we came for, guys. That was Smores, but they came like in a to-go box. So I don't know if they're trying to kick us out. No, just kidding.
Bye, guys.
But I guess when you order Smores here, it's already pre-boxed. You just open up the box and make it over your pit. So guys, we got our Smores. And I gotta be honest with you guys, I have never ever made s'mores in my life, so
Shut up, really?
this is my first time ever making s'mores.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun.
So you just gotta stab the stuff on here?
Yeah.
So when you order the s'mores, you get for 2 people, graham cracker and big marshmallow. This graham cracker is very soft.
Yeah, that's not normal either.
It's not your normal graham cracker either. It's very soft, like almost like a bread.
Graham crackers in here. You can have my graham crackers.
So should I stab this right here?
Yeah, but take the graham crackers off.
Well, can I stab it first and then take them off?
Yeah. They're very soft. I wonder if they're homemade, because the thing said homemade marshmallows, so I wonder if they're homemade graham crackers too. But
I feel like this is gonna fall off.
is it in there good?
I don't know.
Like par?
Yeah, it's actually like up here.
Big
It's up here.
marshmallow.
It's up to here. So melt it.
Yeah. Just go over there.
Here we go.
Joe's first time making s'mores. That's a monster marshmallow.
I feel like it's gonna fall off.
Yeah. So usually, you know, like the marshmallows you just like buy in the bag.
Yeah.
You know, those are like good to go on the stick because they're just like, you know, smaller. The stick can go through the whole thing. That is different.
Oh, sheesh.
That's my favorite. There's a woman watching in the window behind you. She's like face to the glass.
I'm losing it. Ah, it's dripping.
You want my plate?
Guys, I almost lost the marshmallow. Okay, that's done.
That is melty.
That is done. That is done.
And then you just build it.
But how do you melt the chocolate?
The marshmallow's supposed to like do it. Because it's so hot. You want more than that because it's so big?
Yeah, I don't know if he's.
Ooh.
Very messy, guys. But this is what we came for the s'mores and the hot chocolate. So let's try it out. It's messy.
Is it good?
It's super sweet. It's good. Chocolate, marshmallow.
So that's regular s'mores for $15 and Dubai s'mores for $30. But we didn't really know how the Dubai chocolate is different, so we just took regular s'mores. And it's Hershey's chocolate. It's a little colder than when we got here.
All right, Michelle's gonna try to do hers, but she can't have the chocolate and she can't have the graham cracker. So she's just gonna have the marshmallow, a roasted marshmallow. You want to look up real quick? Smile. Just one smile. Okay. One more here.
Can you get it when it's on fire?
Ready?
messy. I can't. I have to roll it. I'm gonna lose.
I think she's gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it. Might as well just eat it. That's Michelle's toasty marshmallow.
I'm gonna burn my mouth.
You guys, Michelle's in heaven because her food options are limited, but marshmallows is one of the things she could eat, and it's nice.
So gooey. I'm losing it. Don't record this. It's gonna be messy.
I'll cut it off at the end. All right, Michelle, we hit winter at the Terrace. What did you think?
I thought it was delicious. The bacon is so yummy, and the marshmallows are a good time. S'mores are always a good time.
And how about your drink?
My drink was really good. It was refreshing, and it made me sleepy. Like by the fire, I need like a blanket. I feel cut up.
Nice.
Fun.
Nice.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you for reminding me. All right, guys, that's going to do it for here at Green Valley Ranch. Winter at the Terrace, guys. We had a great time. I'd like to thank Michelle for inviting me. The hot chocolate was awesome. The little bites were delicious. Super fun, super chill. Love the little fireside, tableside that we sat at. And guys, you should check it out if you're here in Henderson. Go to Green Valley Ranch, check out Winter at the Terrace. So, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Outta Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever these future videos. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys.